We'll see if anybody's paying attention to this shit show. Jackson, just a little not bad. You're a catcher. Yeah, we're going to put all the fish back while you're gone. Jackson, you're a troublemaker. I subbed. Thank you, Drew. See, Jackson, I knew it. The one person I thought, peace, I'll be back in a bit. Sorry, you're fine. Journey, if you're in here. Jackson, you fucking troublemaker. Oh, we got one on. Hold on. Oh, shit. What the hell happened?